Hello friends, welcome back to in this class. Friends, in this class I am about to do only speaking practice because I am not any teacher. I am also a student just like you. So that's why I am a student. That's why I want to speak English and I want to learn English. So according to me, I feel, I think I have realized this type of practice very useful for every students and also me. So that's why I am here to speak English and to learn English. So if you want to speak English, if you want to learn English fluently, so you must do like me, practice just like me. According to me, there is a all concept I have told you earlier. Today's topic name is will have two. You can see all concept, but in this video I am only do speaking practice. Okay, sometimes I'll change subject and sometimes I'll change verb. There are many verbs and there are many subjects, but this time I have written some verbs because I have very short time, so that's why I have written some verbs, and I will take some subjects my minds or myself. Okay, but you are free if you want to speak fluently. So if there are many verbs you can take and you can speak English, that verbs. So without wasting time, let's start today's topic. Today's topic name is will have two, and I have written all structure and all concept you can see very well. So let's start speaking practice. First of all, I will take I subjects, then sometimes I'll change other subject and that verbs. So I will have to read, I will not have to read, will I have to read, will I not have to read, why will I have to read, why will I not have to read, I will have to write, I will not have to write, will I have to write, will I not have to write, why will I have to write, why will I not have to write, I will have to speak, I will not have to speak, will I have to speak, will I not have to speak, why will I have to speak, why will I not have to speak, I will have to learn, I will not have to learn, will I have to learn, will I not have to learn, why will I have to learn, why will I not have to learn, I will have to run, I will not have to run, will I have to run, will I not have to run, why will I have to run, why will I not have to run, I will have to help, I will not have to help, will I have to help, will I not have to help, why will I have to help, why will I not have to help, I will have to work, I will not have to work, will I have to work, will I not have to work, why will I have to work, why will I not have to work, you will have to read, you will not have to read, will you have to read, will you not have to read, why will you have to read, why will you not have to read, you will have to write, you will not have to write, will you have to write, will you not have to write, why will you have to write, why will you not have to write, you will have to speak, you will not have to speak, will you have to speak, will you not have to speak, why will you have to speak, why will you not have to speak, you will have to learn, you will not have to learn, will you have to learn, will you not have to learn, why will you have to learn, why will you not have to learn, you will have to run, you will not have to run, will you have to run, will you not have to run, why will you have to run, why will you not have to run, you will have to help, you will not have to help, will you have to help, will you not have to help, why will you have to help, why will you not have to help, you will have to work, you will not have to work, will you have to work, will you not have to work, why will you have to work, why will you not have to work, you will have to go, you will not have to go, why will you have to go, why will you not have to go, I will have to go, I will not have to go, will I have to go, will I not have to go, why will I have to go, why will I not have to go, you will have to come, you will not have to come, why will you have to come, why will you not have to come, I will have to come, I will not have to come, Will I have to come? Will I not have to come? Why will I not have to come? He will have to read. He will not have to read. Will he have to read? Will he not have to read? Why will I have to read? Why will I not have to read? He will have to write. He will not have to write. Will I have to write? Will I not have to write? Will he have to speak? Will he not have to speak? Will he have to speak? Will he not have to speak? Why will he have to speak? Why will he not have to speak? I will have to speak. I will not have to speak. You will have to speak. You will not have to speak. They will have to speak. They will not have to speak. Will they have to speak? Will they not have to speak? They will have to go. They will not have to go. Will they have to go? They will not have to go. Will they not have to go? Why will they have to go? Why will they not have to go? She will have to come. She will not have to come. Will he? Will she have to come? Will she not have to come? Why will she have to come? Why will she not have to come? She will have to go. She will not have to go. Will she have to go? Will she not have to go? Why will she have to go? Why will she not have to go? So, in this class, I was doing only I did only speaking practice because I wanna learn English. I wanna speak English. So that's why I am here. I did only speaking practice. So if you want to speak English, if you want to learn English, so according to me, you must do like me practice whatever I did. So if you like my video and to learn something, so please subscribe my video, my channel, and like my video and share your friends.